Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 21. The postural defects associated with the limb is A. Scoliosis, B. Lordosis, C. Kyphosis, D. Knock-knee, and E. Humpback. Now, what are postural defects? Postural defects simply refers to as postural abnormalities. Postural abnormalities. In other words, that is, they are deviation from correct posture. Deviation from the correct posture. Now, these postural defects ranges. We have the postural defect that is associated with the vertebra, that is the backbone, and postural defect associated with the limbs. But the question here now is asking us for the postural defect associated with the limbs. Now, option A here says scoliosis. Scoliosis, lordosis, kyphosis, and humpback are all associated with what? With the vertebra. That is, they are associated with the backbone. Now, in terms of scoliosis, now there is what? There is sidewards, like extreme curvature towards the side in terms of scoliosis. But in lordosis now, lordosis usually affect the lumbar vertebra, whereby the lumbar vertebra curves inward extremely than normal. It curves inward extremely than normal. Then the kyphosis affect the thoracic vertebra, whereby it curves what the chest region curves outward, that is extremely outward than normal, thereby resulting in a hunchback or humpback. So this humpback is another name for kyphosis. But if you look at option D here says knock-knee. Now, from this word knock-knee, you know that it's associated with the what? With the lower limb, that is the leg. And in knock-knee, you notice that the two knees are usually what? Close together, but then the foot or the legs are then separated from each other, what we call the K-leg. The local name will give it is the K-leg. So knock-knee is a postural defect associated with what? With the lower limb. And since the question is asking us for the postural defect associated with the limbs, we can therefore say knock-knee is the answer to this question, because the other options are actually associated with the backbone or the vertebra. So the answer to this question is option D, knock-knee. Thank you and God bless you. You should subscribe to the channel for more videos in past questions.